Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NAVS. I am Sabreena Haque, assistant teacher of science, National Middle English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a biology class on the based on assignment 3, and let us move forward today's topic. Dear students, this is our assigned task, and this is on chapter 2. The name of the chapter is cells and tissues of organism, and previous assignment also belongs to that chapter, and again that assignment was on the plant tissue, and this assignment is the animal tissue. That means the hands is an organ of your body in which all cells of tissues exist. Present on a poster paper with a diagram of where the tissues is located and what is it is doing. That means you have to make the assignment on poster paper or the revised page of the calendar, and there you have to draw, and you have to give the description and the location, function, everything, or at least stratified epithelial tissue, blood, voluntary tissue and nerve tissue. That means this have to be in your assignment. Now come to the solution of the assignment. This is the demo of the solution of the assignment. The title will be Tissues Exist in Hand. Then this is the introductory part, that hand is an organ of our body in which all kinds of tissues exist. The hand is made up of more bones and moving parts than any other parts of the body. When they are healthy, those parts all work together. They do a lot of work. The hands start with very subtle movement of energy to everything. The hands consist of 27 bones, 27 joints, 34 muscles, more than 100 ligament and tendon, hard tissues. That gives your hand shape, or gives our hand shape and stability. Now come to starting of the assignment, that means location and the function of the various tissues in the hand. First is epithelial tissues. This tissue functions as the lining of the various organs. The location located at the very top of the hand and known as stratified epithelial tissue. That means which epithelial tissue found in hand is known as stratified epithelial tissue. Now function, the protection of the underlying tissues. Second one, secretion of waste products. Third one, absorption of water and nutrients. Fourth one, cellular transport and of specific materials. Now come to second type of tissue, that is connective tissue, and this is the picture of stratified epithelial tissue, and you have to draw this and you have to color this by following your textbook. Now come to connective tissue. Connective tissue has more matrix compared to the number of cells is comparatively less, and there are three types of connective tissue mainly found in hand. They are fibrous connective tissue, skeletal connective tissue and fluid connective tissue. The location, fibrous connective tissue lies below the body integument and sparsely in muscle. Now come to next one, skeletal connective tissue located inside the muscle and aids from the skeletal system. And third one, fluid connective tissue located inside the artery and veins and within the intercellular space. Now come to the function of connective tissue. Gives the hand definite shape and firmness. Second one, fibrous tissue connect the bones and to the muscles. Third one, helps in movement. Fourth one, protect the soft and sensitive parts. Fifth one, protect the various types. Dear students, this type spelling is incorrect. It will be TY. Okay. Produce the various types of blood corpuscles and forms the surface from the attachment of voluntary muscle. Now come to next one, then cartilage cover the two ends of the bones which protects the bones from rubbing. Now seventh one, fluid connective tissue maintain the circulation and plays a special role in protection from the diseases and blood clotting. The next one, blood maintains the body temperature balance, and Point number 9, blood carries the oxygen to the different parts of the body. And last one, bones store mineral salt. And this is the picture of blood. Dear students, for coloring, follow your textbook. This is red blood cell and this is white blood cell and this is platelets picture. Now come to the this is the hand bones. You have to draw this, and this is the connective tissues picture. This is given in your book in chapter number 6, and this picture is given in your book in chapter number 9. Now come to muscular tissue. Growing from mesoderm, the embryo, the particular types of tissue capable of contracting and expanding of effect movement and tissues forming the muscle of vertebrate animal is called muscular tissue. In hand, voluntary or stratified muscular tissue found. Located under the skin of the hand. Now come to function. This can be contracted and expanded at the will of the animal. And next one, through contraction and expansion, muscle cells take part in organ movement and internal circulation. Next one is, this is the voluntary tissue picture. Now come to number 4, that is nerve tissue. The particular types of tissue which forms the nervous system is called nervous tissue. Now location along with the anterior and the forearm, the median and the ulnar nerves supply the nerve signals to the skin and to the flexor muscle of the hand and fingers. Now come to the function. Transmit the stimulus from the hand to the brain, and second one, according to stimuli, can make the appropriate response. This is the picture of a neuron or nerve cell. You have to draw this. And next one, the picture of anterior views of the hand. And you can only this picture, you can take a print or you can draw it, and all the picture you have to draw. This picture is some hard for you, that's why I am saying you can attach a printing picture of this, and otherwise if you can draw it will be better for you. But rest all, that means stratified complex or stratified epithelial tissue, different types of blood cell, hand, bone, connective tissue, voluntary muscle tissue, nerve tissue, you have to draw. And this one you can draw or you can take a print and you can attach with the assignment number 3. Dear students, your submission date of the assignment 3 of biology is 11 September. So do make the assignment and submit it on 11 September. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.